Chalkola Watercolor Paint Set Review, a vibrant all-in-one kit for artists. Hey friends, if you're an artist, whether you're just starting out or already a pro, you're gonna love this. Today I'm reviewing the Chalkola Watercolor Paint Set, a vibrant and versatile kit designed for everyone, from beginners to professional artists. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what you get in this set. There are 36 watercolor tubes, each packed with 12 milliliters of rich, vibrant color. You also get 10 high-quality painting brushes and a handy mixing palette. Basically, it's got everything you need to bring your creativity to life. The watercolors are super pigmented, meaning you get bold, vivid colors right out of the tube. They blend beautifully, making it so easy to create gradients and washes. Whether you're painting landscapes, florals, or abstract art, these paints give you so much control and vibrancy. The brushes are also fantastic. They come in a variety of sizes, perfect for details or broad strokes. Plus, the included palette makes mixing colors a breeze. No need to hunt for extra supplies. It's all right here. I'm so impressed with how professional these paints feel. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable set to add to your collection, the Chalkola Watercolor Paint Set is a win. The colors are vibrant, the brushes are great, and it's beginner-friendly while still delivering pro-quality results. If you're ready to level up your watercolor game or simply want an all-in-one kit, I can't recommend this enough. Click the link below to grab yours and start creating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art reviews and tips. See you in the next video.